Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Selenium Manager versus WebDriver Manager. Let's explore their key differences and help you decide which one best fits your automation needs. Selenium Manager is a newer, built-in feature, while WebDriver Manager has been a popular external solution for some time. Understanding their distinct approaches is crucial for efficient test automation. Selenium Manager streamlines your test setup by automatically handling browser driver downloads and configurations. This means less manual effort and fewer compatibility issues, allowing you to focus more on writing your tests. It's designed to work seamlessly with modern Selenium versions, providing a more integrated and hassle-free experience for common browser automation tasks. WebDriver Manager, on the other hand, provides greater flexibility and control. If you need to manage specific driver versions, work with less common browsers, or require advanced configurations, this tool offers the customization you need. It's a robust solution for scenarios where fine-tuning your driver setup is essential, giving you precise command over your automation environment. For most users prioritizing ease of use and quick setup, Selenium Manager is the clear choice due to its seamless integration. However, if your projects demand specific driver versions, broader browser support, or intricate configurations, WebDriver Manager offers the advanced control you'll appreciate. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your project's unique requirements and your desired level of control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.